Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the TrendLine GRID expert advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is an expert advisor that combines TrendLine Pro signals with grid averaging and some recovery features. On paper it looks solid for gold, but as always I ran my own tests to see what it actually does in practice, so stick around to the end of this video for the full breakdown and to get the full picture. But before we dive into this expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Now, talking about the TrendLine GRID, it was developed by Genio Aksenov from UAE, United Arab Emirates, and he's quite popular, and this expert advisor has very good reviews on MQL5, 4.83 out of 5. We also have some wonderful reviews from users who have bought this expert advisor. It actually goes for $200. There are also comments from the developer himself showing what the settings look like. We'll get into the settings later in this video. Now, talking about the TrendLine Gold, according to the developer, this EA opens the first order based on the TrendLine Pro indicator signal. It actually has an indicator and it works based on an indicator, which is the TrendLine Pro indicator. Then if price moves against it, it builds a grid. It has drawdown reduction that starts closing the worst losers paired with profitable orders after a certain point. They highlight dynamic buy and sell zones based on recent highs and lows, plus full support for manual trading, where the expert advisor can manage your own entries with the same grid logic. Yeah, but you need a very good VPS for all of this to work. There is a trading panel, just like you can see. This is how it looks like. This is what it looks like. Now there is a trading panel on the chart for easy control. You can pause auto trading, and you can also close sites, and so on and so forth. They show backtests with over 41k in profits. This is a total net profit of 41k, strong profit factor around 2.5, and also good recovery. Yeah, lots of customizations. There is news filters, the time filters, and the works. It's marketed as a flexible expert advisor for hedging accounts, especially on XAUUSD. This is how it works. Hedges also, and also there's a grid. So this is how the equity curve looks like from 2017 to 2020. So 3 years data of backtest gave us this result. That is exactly how it looks. For the key settings that they push, it mainly includes, going to the comments from the developer. Now these are the key settings, and it includes the amplitude for the TrendLine Pro, and also there is the grid step, which you can adjust. You can adjust the parameters. There's the lot multiplication, the max orders, the drawdown reduction. You can also run fixed lots or auto. You can set zones dynamically or manually. You can add trailing. You can use filters to avoid bad periods. Yeah, the panel lets you switch directions or intervene. The panel can let you switch directions or intervene with the expert advisor's dealings and workings. And overall, it positions itself as more than a basic grid. It's signal driven with smart recovery. But is it true? Are the numbers real? I tested it on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 account. Modeling is every tick based on real ticks, zero latency, ideal execution. And my settings, the realistic settings I used was the default settings, and this where the main settings that actually make sense was the fixed small lots, and the grid step was 100. The grid step was 100, and there were also max 15 orders. The total net profit came in at about $544, and profit factor of 1.89. Also, max equity drawdown was around 4%, and the max balance drawdown was 0.25%, which is very low and commendable. Win rate stayed solid around 75% on both buy and sells, with 437 trades in total. The equity curve trends up nicely, but you can see those green dips where the grid was walking through pullbacks. Nothing catastrophic in this period, but visible stress. You can see this. That's why we have the 4% equity max drawdown. Is as a result of these green dips here and there. But at the end of the day, the grid recovery system was able to get it back in line with the equity, with the balance, and closed in profit or break even, basically letting the account stay solid and keep up with its nice uptrend. Yeah, and compared to the numbers that they showcase, this my backtest is more modest, which is common. Live will have slippage and spread impact. Features that mattered here were the drawdown reduction kicking in, as we can see. I've discussed this. Also, we have zones helping filter, and conservative lots keeping drawdown in check. It's working. These are some of the trades. The basket, the grid basket, these are some of it as it's working. We also have another one here, another set here. He opens multiple orders at the same time. So the thing is, gold can trend hard, so this settings saved it from bigger trouble. And my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a capable grid manager with decent tools, but it still carries the usual risks. Drawdown can spike fast in adverse moves, and it's also very broker and spread dependent. Yeah, I have to say that. And my nuances will include watching news and not over leveraging the multiplications. And that will mean that it's great for active traders who test thoroughly and monitor, but it's great for experienced users who are okay with averaging strategies and some intervention. But if you are a trader who likes hands-off, who likes pure plug and play, or who hates floating losses, I would say you should avoid it, or you should test it yourself on demo first before going ahead with the expert advisor. But overall, it's a great expert advisor for trading gold. Now test it yourself and let me know what you think. Like the video if this real tests help you out, and subscribe. Hit the notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Thank you for watching. Trade safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.